Alloy wheels are used to refer to wheel rims manufactured using magnesium or aluminum alloys or both. Since magnesium is an essential element, these wheels are also called mag wheels. In the past, car wheels have always been produced from steel because of their strength, durability, and decent appearance. The use of alloy wheels increased due to high demand by motorsport companies. The commercial market began to adopt them, which caused their prices to go down. Alloy wheels also have several advantages over steel wheels. Alloy wheels are lighter than steel wheels, even if they are of the same size. Both of the metals used, magnesium and aluminium, are lighter than steel. The low weight leads to better performance and handling of your vehicle. Alloy wheels allow the car suspension to provide a better grip and make it easier for the car to follow the terrain. Alloy wheels have a much better visual appeal than steel wheels. Their appearance is one of the most significant reasons why people opt for alloy wheels. Using alloy wheels will make your car stand out from other vehicles, which significantly adds to its value. Alloys are better at conducting heat than pure metal. This key factor is why alloy wheels were introduced to automobiles. Alloy wheels can dissipate heat much faster than steel wheel. Heat dissipation also have a positive impact on the tires. Tires tend to wear out quickly when exposed to heat. Alloy wheels, therefore, extend the longevity of your tires. Aluminum alloys are renowned for their ability to withstand corrosion and rust. Wheels made of aluminum alloys are no different. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterparts. Using alloy wheels leads to a decrease in unsprung weight. This aspect helps promote better traction, which is a critical feature for braking performance. You won't experience the wheel hop commonly associated with steel wheels, thereby reducing the risk of brake failure. As alloy wheels are lighter than steel, they provide better handling and performance for your vehicles. Therefore, the use of alloy wheels leads to increased fuel efficiency. Fuel prices can have a sizable impact on your wallet, which makes this an essential factor. Alloy wheels refurbishment services can work on different varieties of alloy wheels: standard alloys, split rim, diamond cut, and so on. We have previously discussed the common types of wheel damage, which elaborates on the causes and necessary repairs to maintain safety. The cost of repairing your alloy wheels will depend on the extent and type of alloy damage. It will also depend on the type of your wheels and their size. Other factors include the location of the damage to the wheels. Thanks for watching. Until next time.